Hello, today I'm going to be talking about some 3D printed accessories I've made for the electric EEW Fold. And for those of you who aren't familiar with how I typically do 3D printed parts, a quick summary is that I give away files so people can 3D print their own parts. I even make it free for other companies to make the parts and sell them if they want. And the reason I do that is there's a good ecosystem of companies out there that 3D print parts for my spinning wheels, which I think is awesome. I don't sell 3D printed parts myself. All of my parts are going to be injection molded, but there are some accessories that just the volume doesn't justify that. So I let other companies out there sell them, or if you have a 3D printer, a friend with a 3D printer, a library with a 3D printer, then you can take my files and get those parts printed yourself. I like it because it lets me experiment with a lot of different accessories like I'll be showing off here today. I will be releasing the files by the time I have this video out. You can get these files. I probably wouldn't 3D print these files until it's time for me to start shipping the Fold, because there's probably going to be some other accessories by then. Like I'll definitely have bobbins and a reducer, but I haven't made the 3D printable versions of those yet, so I don't have those files. There will be a link in the description that gives you a few different options online for getting these parts made if you don't have a 3D printer or a friend with a 3D printer. So here's the first accessory I wanted to show you. This is a tripod stand for the electric EEW Fold. And for this one, you do need a nut like this. It's a very low-cost part, should be available at most hardware stores. It's the size that fits on your tripod mount, and tripod mounts that I have are a 1/4 inch nut. So that's what this is. And you just slide it into there. And then I have a tripod here. This is the kind of thing you'd use for a camera. I'm just going to put this on here, and my hands are full, so I'll be right back. So now I have it mounted to a tripod, and the point of this one is we can take the Fold, we can put it in there, and now we have a convenient method of holding the electric EEW Fold, and you can spin from it very easily, just like this. Next up is the Purr protector, and it actually works with the tripod mount, so you can use these together or separately if you want. And what it does is it holds the electric EEW Fold like this, and it makes a little cage so certain kinds of animals and other things can't easily hit the flyer while it's rotating like this. It's easy to see the RPMs, and also if you need to change the bobbin, it's easy to open up like this or move the hooks when you need to. But for changing the bobbin, all you have to do is access the back. I've actually designed it so the back just flips open like that, and then removing a bobbin is, just that easy with one hand. And here you can probably see where the name Purr protector comes from.